Hey everyone, my name's Sean Moore. I'm an Associate Financial Advisor and the Director of Operations for More Wealth. We're an independent financial planning and wealth management firm headquartered in Frederick, Maryland. Today I want to talk about giving back. When it comes to giving back, you can think about it in two ways. First is literally giving back your effort, your time, your energy, getting your hands dirty to give back to charitable organizations or causes that you care about. The other way, one that we're professionally familiar with, is giving money, whether that's in the form of literal dollars or in the form of, for instance, appreciated stock. We like to do both at More Wealth, both as an organization and as individual members of the team. One of my personal favorite ways to give back is as a part of the Rotary Club of Carroll Creek. One of the things we do in downtown Frederick is we actually help out with what's called Color on the Creek. If you've ever visited and seen Carroll Creek during the summertime, we have all kinds of tropical plants that are out in the creek. It's really quite beautiful. It's an entirely volunteer-driven event, and my wife Lucy and I like to go out and actually help with the planting and the cleanup of that event. When it comes to giving back as an individual, something that you should do, just like anything else when it comes to your life, is have a plan. This can include things that aren't planned for items. So building into your budget that, hey, maybe the Girl Scouts are going to come by and I want to buy some of those cookies. My personal favorites are Thin Mints. You can build that into your charitable giving strategy. You can also say, look, at the end of the year, I know a lot of organizations are going to have an appeal. Perhaps they're going to double or triple donations because someone's matching those donations. You can build that into your charitable giving strategy at the beginning of the year. Just like anything else, you don't want to run wild and just give money wherever and whenever, because that can actually end up in you becoming stretched too thin. Not something that you want to do. When it comes to charitable giving, there's a handful of different strategies that you can employ. We use many of them at More Wealth with a variety of our clients, but what I want to talk about today are two specific charitable giving strategies, one that's relatively simple and one that's a little bit more complicated. I mentioned earlier, gifts of appreciated stock. When you think of this, a good way to think of it is if your grandparents or your parents gave you stock that they bought many, many years ago. That's basically a windfall for you. If, for instance, your grandparents bought that stock at $1 a share and today it's worth $10 or $15 or $20 a share, you're liable for the capital gain, the difference between when they passed and gave it to you or gifted it to you, and what it sold for today. A way to avoid paying those taxes is that you can gift that stock in its appreciated form to a charitable organization. What's the benefit of that? You're not liable for the taxes, and that charitable organization gets a meaningful donation. It can be a more efficient way for you to give money to an organization that you really care about. That more complicated strategy is called a charitable remainder trust, sometimes referred to by the acronym CRT. A charitable remainder trust, without going into a lot of excruciating detail, is a way for you to make a charitable donation to an organization, take the tax deduction associated with that, and then generate a stream of income for a set period of time or for the remainder of your life. It's a nice way to get the best of both worlds. You can make that charitable donation, reap the tax benefits associated with it, but you can also ensure that you can live the lifestyle that you want to live. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed watching this video, click subscribe to continue to follow our videos. You can also follow us on social media at the links below. If you're interested in talking more about charitable giving, you can visit our website, www.morewealthinc.com, or give us a call, 301-631-1207. Thanks again.